Hey Whimsy Rae fans, it's me Rachel again. I'm here with one of my 20 famous black women that I will be sharing here in Wilmington, North Carolina at Genesis Block on July 23rd from 6 to 9. I will be there personally. In the meantime, I have over 15 on display at this moment, and they are going to be there through July 23rd. The fourth Friday here in Wilmington, North Carolina. So this is her. This is Whitney Houston. This is my artist rendition of Whitney Houston. The name of this is Heartbreak Hotel. And I don't know if y'all remember that song, but if you haven't ever heard of it or have ever listened to it, you gotta listen to it. It's really good. Anyway, I drew her in this color and in this rendition because she took her profession very seriously as an artist, as a singer, and I like to take the aspect of that individual and put it in the art, in the color scheme that I felt would match or would, definitely make that difference. So this here is Whitney Houston. I wanted her this color to show the intensity of how hard she worked at her profession, at her art, at her skill set, at her singing. In her expressions, you could tell that she truly enjoyed what she was doing in her life and in her singing. And she definitely made it known in her voice. And so since I don't sing, my logo or my caption underneath my logo under Whimsy Rae's Artistry is "Make your art your microphone." So in my view, I'm singing to you through use of Whitney Houston and how she inspired me to do this piece and her music and how it touched me. So my message to you then is to not take it in an offensive way. Of course, definitely not by any means, which anything can be taken the wrong way. But the reason why I did her with her eyes closed is because she is focused. She's almost like in a meditative state when she was singing at this specific moment in her song, in my opinion, my perception. She was so focused on getting that note right for you to make sure that you understood the intensity of the emotion that's coming across to her, and for you to feel it, to feel that emotion. And so in these colors, which these colors are some of my favorite colors, is gold and blue. I have a lot of favorite colors, but these are very significant because it reminds me of the sky, the ocean, also heat and flame, and there's just such intensity to all of those things. And so what better color to use than this blue and white and gold? I didn't want her focus to be on her hair necessarily. I wanted it to be on her expression as she's singing. Her nostrils are flared. She's giving you her best and when she's singing this song. So you can come and see this piece. It's a 16 by 20. It is for sale. It will be on display from now until and through July. And I say that because even after July, it will still be on display through to the beginning of August. I believe the first week in August. But everything is for sale. It's 16 by 20, and this is my rendition, Whimsy Rae's Artistry, of Whitney Houston in her song that she sang in Heartbreak Hotel. I loved watching her sing, live. Well, I never really saw her in person, but on television at the time when she would do different shows and different events for different people. And I got the privilege of just watching her stand there and sing. She was truly captivating, just truly amazing singer. So this is, again, a 16 by 20. She will be for sale at Genesis Block, 4th Friday, coming up in July, which I know time flies, but if you ever want to refer back to this for inspiration for your own personal artwork or just in general, please feel free. My website is Whimsy Rae's Artistry, and that is WHIMSYRAES, and of course artistry.com. And if you decide to look me up on Facebook and or on Instagram or Pinterest or any one of those social media platforms, I'm there. And you'll see her posted and many others. You'll see the beginning stages of her as I drew her and through to this point. All right, thank you for watching.